Okay, today we're going to solve the system of equation with two variables. Not one, but two. Let's say x, y, because that's the most common variable we use in equation. Well, first of all, I'm going to give it the easiest equation. Not too easy though. 3 and negative 4y equal 8. Nah, you say two variables. Let's add another level. Variable plus x equal 8. Okay. Now, this means right. This is right? Because come on, it's a plus. You switch it. It don't really matter if this is two. If this is two, it don't really matter. If this is two, this one. If this one, this two. It's still the same. Okay. As you can see, if you combine this together, the y and the 4x, you would get negative 3y. But let's multiply by everybody by negative 1 on this equation. Now you plug in, if this is 2 plus 1, right? Because if you plug in 2 plus 1, you get the answer. But you plug in 2 here and 1 here, it would not match. It's not satisfied. But let's say if it's 2, 1, you plug in 2 and 1 here. Negative 2 minus negative 1 does give you negative 3. So the 1 here is still a solution. So this equation are the same because it's have the same solution. Okay. Now combine it. So add this. So you get this. Since you combine, it's only one equation. This you get negative 5y. This just cancel, and this negative 3 plus 8, you get 5. As you can see, this is equal to minus 1. Okay? Now, if this was y equal minus 1, let's plug in one of the equation and solve for x. Easy as that. So, you plug in on the first one, negative 4 times negative 1 plus x equal to 8. This you get 5. Move to the other side, so you get 3. And that's it. I think I go too fast, right? This and this cancel to a positive 4. So 4 plus x minus 4 both sides. I knew I was going too fast. So sorry about that. You want to make sure this is right. Just plug it in. So you get 4, that's x. Then a minus plus minus 1, so equal. And this does give you negative 3. 3. You can plug in on the second one. It's still the same. And negative 4 times negative 1. Then you add 4 here. This does give you 8. Because this and this equal positive 4. Plus 4 to 4 equal 8. That's it. For the first one. Pretty simple, right? Very simple. Let's say, I'm sorry, my brother's over there. I don't know if you can hear it. He's pretty loud. Hold up. Let's say negative x plus 4y equals 6. And y equal ax minus 1. Okay? To solve this equation, You know that y is equal to this, right? So let's just plug in y into here. So you will get the following. You get negative x plus 4, open parentheses, y is basically this, is equal to 6, and this, you get, distribute this, so negative x, 4 times 8 is 32, sorry, oh my god, 32x, 32, a y, sorry, 32y, then this, you get negative 4, negative 4 moves to the outside, so this means plus 4, that's equal to 10, okay? Okay, now you're gonna solve for x. You're gonna solve for x. So you know what x is. You can plug in y in here. Then hold on. What am I saying? Okay, let's just. So that means x is equal to 10. Hold up. No. Hold up. Minus. So 10 minus 32y over negative 1. Divide by negative 1. So basically, so negative 10 plus 32y. 32y. Okay? Plug in this into here. So you get negative times negative equal positive 10, and this equal negative 32y, then plus 4y equals 6. Negative 32 plus 4 is negative 28y. So you get negative 28y is equal to 6. So this, let's just do it. 28y, negative 28y is equal to negative 4. This divided by negative, so divide by negative 8, 20, so you get equal. Reduces by 4, can it? Yeah, you can reduce this to 1/7. So that's the first answer for y. And you can use this answer to plug in here and solve for this equation. So you get negative x plus 4 times 1/7 equals 6. So negative x plus 4/7. Let's move to the other side. 6/1 minus 4/7. Let's make the common denominator. That's 6, right? Yeah, 6. 6 times 7 is 48. Say nah, 42. Subtract this, and you get 38, 7. So you just get negative 38, 7. That's our answer for x. Lastly, make sure to plug it in. So make sure your answer is correct. Oh my god. Well, luckily I didn't erase that much. Okay. Let's plug in. Negative. X is equal to this. Negative, equal positive. 38 over 7. And plus 4 times y, which is 4 over 7 equals 6. Must equal to 6 or it is wrong. 38 plus 4 is what? 8 times, 8 plus 4 is 2. Carry the 1, so you get 4 over 7, which is 6. You can plug it in here too to make sure your answer is correct. And I was correct, yes, I did. and that is a system of equation of two variable. Now, maybe I'm gonna do the system of non-linear equation. That would be harder because it's in the linear equation. Linear algebra. This is linear algebra is in 12th grade. It's pretty advanced topic. It's pretty hard. I get it wrong all the time, so I'm not so sure to post a video. But these stuff I know.